So here we have the Salem Hemisphere 261 FKRB. We're going to walk in. As you can see, this is a carpet-free RV. Walk in, and directly to your left, we have a large pantry. And then here we have our radio control, thermostat, and our board. Let's go ahead and go in to the left. You can see we have bar height countertop and this large front kitchen. Here we've got your reclining theater seats with the fold down center console. Walk back. This is a king size bed in the slide. Barn style sliding doors. Another thermostat for your control, for your air conditioner in the rear. Fireplace in the bedroom with a little makeup mirror. Another large set of cabinets. Barn slide door into the rear bath. Double sink. Large lit mirror. A couple of knick-knack shelves. Porcelain toilet. A couple more cabinets. Nice one-piece shower with skylight. And this is where you're going to find your washer dryer hookup. I love the blinds on the Hemispheres. Easy tracked, easy slide. And to start on the outside, you have your electronic jack, twin 20-pound propane tanks. It is set up for double battery. Small storage. This does have electronic leveling jacks. Surround sound. This is a tankless water heater. Shore ride steps. This does come with a griddle and a shelf that attaches here. Doggy chain. Electronic stabilizing jack. And then nice big outdoor fridge.